Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by checking the axle type and the wheel orientation carefully. Confirm whether the axle uses a lever cam or a threaded bolt. Inspect threads and dropout faces for dirt or damage before proceeding. Prepare a 5mm hex key or the exact tool that fits your axle head. Keep a small rag and grease nearby for cleanup and reassembly. Note the wheel alignment so you can reseat it correctly after removal. If your front axle has a lever, open the lever first to relieve tension. If it uses a bolt, use the 5mm hex key and loosen it counterclockwise. Turn the axle about 3 to 5 full rotations until it disengages from the threads. Support the front wheel with one hand to prevent sudden drops as the axle clears. Slide the axle straight out through the hub and fork, keeping an eye on brake rotor alignment. Begin by shifting the chain to the smallest rear cog to reduce tension. Open the lever or loosen the bolt by turning the axle counterclockwise while holding the wheel. Support the rear wheel and guide it down and out of the dropouts as you remove the axle. Be mindful of the disc rotor and derailleur hanger placement when withdrawing the wheel. After removal, inspect hub end caps and lightly grease the axle threads before reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.